Hey everybody, today I'm really excited because I just received this quadrupod stand for viewing purposes, and I think that it's a really nice unit because it can have a tracking function that I think that it's gonna be really, really nice. We have in here the instruction manual, and let's take everything out of the box first, okay? We have on this side some attachments that we're gonna being able to use, and it's a light, okay? You can turn on with this button, change the brightness, the temperature, which I think that it's really nice, comes included. It uses USB Type-C charging, and it has different modes depending what you need. It's how you can set it up, which I think that it's great. We also get an adapter set that we can use the cold shoe with this stand, which I think that it's really nice, just like this, and you can lock it. Okay, and let's see what else comes inside. Okay, it's just the main unit. As you can see, it comes really well protected, and this is it. What I like about it is that this case, when you can place your phone, you can rotate it all the way around, which I think that it's really nice. You can move 360 degrees all around. You have this stabilizing control that in here we have the tracking camera, okay? And in the case we can use it to control the tripod if we are recording someone, or if we are going to use it to record also, we gotta make sure that this camera is facing to ourselves, okay? Which I think that it's great. As I've said, it has 4 legs. Let me open it up, okay? And it can extend quite big. Okay, I'm gonna set it up. This, you can have a screw right here so that you can use any kind of other attachment if you are gonna use it. You can add another light, whatever you need, and I think that it's really nice. It comes included, and in here you have the proper stand. You can angle it a bit, and you can rotate it like this, making it a really nice option. And we're gonna use the adapter like this. And now, okay, as I've said, we can use any kind of cold shoe device or gadget to place it in here, okay? You can extend it quite nice. It has a nice size, making it really perfect for any kind of device. And let me take my cell phone to place it in. We can place our cell phone, and we can place the light in here. Making it really nice. And what I think that it's really nice is that, as I've said, you can use it to record, well, any kind of video. You can use it like a stabilizing point, which I think that it's really nice to make any kind of scene like this moving really nice. We can turn the gimbal tracking function with in here. We have the buttons, we can turn it on and activate the hand gesture functions. With the hand gesture functions, we can activate and deactivate the tracking motion, and it will recognize ourselves. And we even have this little remote control that we can turn on, connect to our cell phone, and we will be able to stop the recording in any case that we need, which I think that it's great. I also like that you can use it even as a selfie stand. I'm gonna close it up, and we can lock it so it won't move around, and it has a clicking function, and that way we can just use it like a selfie stick, okay? And with the remote control we can take the picture, making it a really nice option, okay? Okay, as you can see, now it's already set up. I placed the light above it, and as you can see, I have already activated the motion function, which I think that it's really nice. And what I like about it is that you can just control it with the with some hand gestures, making it really easy. As you can see right now that it's following me, but I can make it so that it stops. As you can see now it has stopped, and I can move around and it won't be following me. But if I activate it once again, it starts tracking me up, which I think that it's really nice. And with the remote control, it makes it really easy to just start recording, and that way you have your video. If in case that you are outdoors or doing any kind of video where you're gonna move around and don't have anyone, or if you don't have the possibility to be moving your stand and the camera this way, I think that it's a really nice option because it will follow, creating a smooth video where you are followed by the AI tracking function, which I think that it's great. And overall, I think that it's really nice because, as I've said, it can be really useful in many different situations. You can use the bar for like a steady filming, which I think that it's nice, or you can just use it as a regular selfie stick, which I think that it's great. I also like a lot that it comes included with light, making it a really nice option to have it. Anyway, if you want to do some vlogging, if you want to record any kind of video content you want, I think that with this stand, I think this is going to be really helpful. Overall, I think that it's a really nice piece of technology. It works perfectly and I like it a lot. I will be using it to record some of the videos, and most of all, when I'm outdoors and I need that the camera follows me, and that way I ain't gonna have to be moving my tripod stand, which I think that is great. So overall, I like it a lot and I will really recommend it. See you guys.